our team Studio Lytical Hut has brought you an amazing video in which we are gonna do some set of photography with a very low budget or with a no budget and the things available in our home. So to create these photographs, you just need is a source of light. The source of light like torch, sunlight, etc. things. So you can also shoot these photographs in a dark room. You can create this room by closing all the doors and the windows. So the first thing you need is nothing. You need is just a source of light. If you are shooting in a dark room, then a torch, and if outdoor, then the sun. As you can see, the shadow of the subject is bigger. Hence, you can understand that the source of light is closer to the subject. The final image should be shown at the last, hence stay tuned. So, in this as well, you need is just a source of light, as you know, torch and sun. As you can see, the shadow of the subject is smaller and just behind the subject. Let's click the pic and stay tuned for the final image. So for this pic you need is a sieve or a chalni in Hindi with big holes as you can see. And let's click the pic and stay tuned for the final image. So for this pic you need is a mosquito net or a simple net or a stain. As you can see in this pic, we refer that you use a mosquito net as it's available in everyone's home. As it's locked out, hence we prefer to use a mosquito net. So now let's click the pic and stay tuned for the final image. So for this you need is just a source of light and nothing. So here is your most awaited part, the final pics. So here it is.